Hello and what's up guys? So today I'll be talking about survey apps. So survey apps have been a really popular method to earn some pocket money online. And today I'll be introducing you a survey app which is the best that I've ever found doing this make money online. And this app, and I will tell you why this app is good, as well as I will show you how much I earned with this app, and also why, and also some tips and tricks that so that you can qualify for more surveys in this particular app. Hello, my name is JJ from budgetzero.com. So I'll just like to talk about a little bit of my channel. So this is a new channel, and the goal of this channel is to find the best possible quality product or service with the lowest price possible. That's it. So right now I'm gonna introduce you to this Qmee app. So it is right inside my phone right now, and you can see this is the Qmee app. It is available in the App Store and also in the Play Store for Android. So this is how it looks like. So why is it good? Why I find this the best survey app? So firstly, it is easy to get qualified for a survey in this app. So if you see, most survey websites or apps won't have lots of surveys, but you will hardly find any qualifying surveys that is suited for you. So this is the first benefit of this app. The second benefit of this app is that there is no minimum threshold, meaning even if I can earn so for example, if I earn only 10 cents in this app, I can also cash out the 10 cents, providing if you have a verified PayPal account. So you need an email and a verified PayPal account for this Qmee app. And besides that, the third is that it pays a lot higher than other survey websites that I have previously used. So the average one, as you can see, you'll see a $2 one right here and 50 cents. So I think the average price that for a survey, depending on the minutes, is around 40 cents to 150. So this is in Aussie dollar. So depending on your country, they will vary a little bit. The fourth reason this is a really good app is because it is a mobile app. So you can practically do it anywhere you want. So for example, when you're waiting for your food to come during dinner, you can just come to this app and do some surveys and earn some pocket money. Or when you're waiting for a lesson in high school or college, you can just do this for the lessons. I mean, you can just do it quickly. And then you can also when someone is driving you to your home or to school, you can also come to this app, or when you're waiting the bus, you can just go to this app and do something, and it gives you extra pocket money for you every day. But there is only one con that I find in this survey, which is they have a limited amount of survey for you to do. But during the whole day, the surveys will come and they will actually send you notifications when a hot survey is available. But mostly in my experience, every time I come to this Qmee app, there's always surveys for me, so I seldom have no surveys to do. And right now I'll be showing you the earnings I got for this particular app. So if you tap into my history, so just last month I actually earned around 20 Aussie dollars. So 30 earnings, $25. So yeah, actually in July I started like really doing this app, but recently I don't really do it. But as you can see, I earn like $17 just for that month. If you tell me, it is pretty a lot by just using your spare time just doing these surveys. And I'll also show you like a day that I have already earned the most in a day right here. And besides that, I also introduced this to my friends and my brother, and my brother actually earned quite a bit in this survey app. I'll show you his like data right here. And in my opinion, it's really good app, so you guys can just go and download it and try it out. Right now, let's go to the tips and tricks to qualify for more surveys in this survey app. So firstly, when you first sign up for the app, you need to choose you need to enter your information in it. Okay, so when you enter that information, even though you are like less than 17, less than 18 years old, make sure you put in the age group between 20 to 38 years old. So this age group actually has the most qualifying surveys, and people and marketers will really like this age group somewhere between millennials somewhere. So make sure even if you're not that age group, make sure to just put in the age group. You will definitely find a lot more surveys than you put like 14, 15 years old. And next is a really important thing. When they give to do all the survey apps, when they say this is just your opinion or there's no right and wrong answer, they're actually wrong. There is a right and wrong answer. Sometimes when you do survey apps, you can feel that they suddenly kick you out, and that means that you entered something before that is actually wrong and you won't be qualifying. So another thing that they keep asking for your info is that they will ask something like this question, and make sure to always put none of the above, because they do not want to survey someone that is in this area of occupation. So yeah, if you are really interested in this app, make sure to go to the link in bio to register. And if you guys have any problems regarding the sign up or PayPal, or you have any general questions, just DM me on Instagram and I'll reply as soon as possible and try to help out your problem. So finally, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If not, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more future videos like this. Budget Zero out.